Chicken spices. Chicken spices refers to a blend of spices commonly used in Indian or Asian cuisine to season chicken dishes, typically including ingredients such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder, ginger, garlic, and other aromatic spices. Fish masala. Fish masala is a spice blend used in Indian cuisine to season and flavor fish dishes. It typically includes a mixture of spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder, ginger, garlic, and other aromatic spices, which vary depending on regional preferences and individual recipes. Capsa spices. Capsa spices likely refers to a blend of spices used in Middle Eastern cuisine, particularly in dishes like kapsa, a traditional Saudi Arabian rice dish. The exact composition of capsa spices can vary, but common ingredients may include cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, black pepper, and other warm, aromatic spices. The blend is used to season and flavor the rice and meat components of the dish, lending it its characteristic taste and aroma. Mandi spices. Mandi spices are the seasoning blend employed in crafting mandi, a traditional Arabian rice dish. The precise combination of mandi spices may differ based on regional inclinations and familial traditions, yet prevalent components often encompass cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and other aromatic spices. These seasonings are commonly utilized to marinate the meat and infuse the rice, imparting mandi with its unique flavor profile and captivating aroma. Mutton spices. Mutton spices typically refer to a blend of spices used to season and flavor mutton dishes. The exact composition of mutton spices can vary depending on regional preferences and individual recipes, but common ingredients may include cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and other aromatic spices. These spices are used to enhance the flavor of mutton and create a rich and savory dish. Paprika powder. Paprika powder is a spice made from ground dried peppers, specifically capsicum annuum varieties such as bell peppers or chili peppers. It is commonly used as a seasoning and garnish in various cuisines, adding color and flavor to dishes. Paprika powder can range in flavor from mild to hot, depending on the type of peppers used, and whether or not the seeds and ribs are included during processing. It is often used in dishes such as stews, soups, sauces, and as a seasoning for meats and vegetables. Shawarma spices. Shawarma spices refer to a blend of spices used to marinate and season the meat typically used in shawarma sandwiches or wraps. The exact blend can vary depending on regional variations and personal preferences, but common ingredients include cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, allspice, and black pepper. These spices combine to create the distinctive flavor profile of shawarma, which is often savory, aromatic, and slightly spicy. Seven spices. Seven spices, also known as bahara in Arabic, is a popular Middle Eastern spice blend used to flavor various dishes. The exact composition of seven spices can vary, but it typically includes a combination of the following seven ingredients: black pepper, cumin, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, coriander, and cardamom. These spices are ground and mixed together to create a versatile seasoning that adds depth and complexity to dishes such as grilled meats, stews, rice, and vegetables. Tandoori Masala. Tandoori Masala is a spice blend commonly used in Indian cuisine, especially for dishes cooked in a tandoor, a traditional clay oven. The blend typically includes spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, paprika, garlic powder, ginger, cayenne pepper, and sometimes other ingredients like fenugreek, cinnamon, or cloves. Tandoori masala imparts a distinctive smoky flavor and vibrant red color to dishes, such as tandoori chicken or tandoori paneer, which are marinated in a mixture of yogurt and the masala before being cooked in the tandoor oven.